Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. Welcome to Chioma TV. Yes, welcome back to my channel. So I already done this video before, so I did a live stream, and the live stream was not clear. The background was so dark and there was sound on the at the background, so I decided to edit it. But today now I just made a mistake and I did the video. So I just want to tell you about 5 ways to generate money, to generate funds to start a business without loaning from the bank. Okay, without loaning from the bank. So because bank loan can be somehow expensive, because you have interest rate to pay for. So you having your own funds to start a business will enable you not to worry about the interest and the monthly payment, the refund to the bank. Okay, so before I dive into the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Chioma. I reside in France and I'm a mom of 3 and a wife, an entrepreneur. So I promised on my live stream that I was going to do a video telling you 5 ways to generate money, to generate income, or to save up for a business or a trade. So this is the video. Yes. So before wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Okay, today's topic is 5 ways of generating income, of saving up to start up a trade or to start up a business. Okay, so the number 1 way of saving up money is, if you're a working class person and you have monthly income, you can equally save from your monthly income after all your monthly expenses, after paying your monthly expenses like bills, like insurance, your rent, light bill, or whatever bills you're supposed to pay. So after all these your expenses, or maybe you're sending back home to your family and all that, so after all those expenses, you one that is remaining, maybe you keep for feeding for the month, you can equally take from there. That one you keep for feeding, just like maybe like £5 or $5 or $10 or £10, or if you're in Africa, any kind of currency you're using, you can just take, even if it's 10 or 5, you can take it and put in one saving box or so, or you can equally save in your bank account. Okay, so if you do so gradually, like monthly, you can be able to save up at a point in time, even if it's 1-2 years. If you have a project, you have a project you are starting, or you have a business you are starting, I advise you start a business, something that will be fetching you income before you have other project like building or buying any property or so. But start a business first. We are talking about starting a business. Let's forget about the project. We'll come to that. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Let me cut the channel. I'm diverse. Okay, I have many good stuff coming your way. In this channel you see many things, many encouraging what should I say, many encouraging and many motivating content coming your way. So let me leave that aside. So okay, that's the first. If you are a working class person, you have a job doing, you have a contract, you're working with an organization, you can easily have monthly salary and you can easily save from there. Then secondly is that you can, if you're a skilled person, you can save up from your skill. When you render services to people, even if you're a hairstylist, makeup artist, you do extension, lash extension, you do nails, you're a skilled person, you are as maybe you are a male, you can do, maybe you do furniture, you're an artist, you are, in fact they call it artisanal, you have handwork, you are a skilled person. Okay, you can easily save up from your skill, by saving the money people pay you, the funds you realize by the end of the month, or I don't know how you save, but you can easily take from there a little, even if it's $5, $10, £10, you can easily save and put in the cost. Said you can easily save up from your skill. Okay, if you are a skilled person, you get paid after you do save up daily, daily payments, you can easily save up from your skill, and at the end of the year or in 2 years time, you can really get enough funds. Instead of you to go to the bank and borrow, you can easily save up from your skill to start a business. Okay, so that's the second part. Okay, so the first part I said you can save up from your monthly salary, and second part is by saving up from your monthly, sorry, your skill. Okay, then the third part is that you can sell anything, that any valuable that you're not using anymore, anything you don't need. If it's clothes, bag, shoe that maybe you bought expensively, or you can easily sell them off to start any to save up enough funds to start any business of your choice, rather than going to borrow in the bank. I not say bank is not okay. Okay, when you meet up to their terms, it's okay. When you have a guarantor or you have a long-term contract that will enable the bank to release the loan for you, that's very fine. Do what works for you, but I know that starting small is the key. So you see your growth as time goes on. You see your growth. You will be able to give account to what you started with, so you see the level you are going as time goes on. Okay, so that's the third part. You can sell any valuables you're not using anymore to start up a business. In my own point of view, I started small and it worked for me, so I know I was able to, with time, to, you know, as I'm a skilled person, I'm making off my skills, and any extra cash I had, I will be saving, you know, to start. First starting point, I didn't start with a huge amount of money. I started with just little amount of money. Okay, so with time goes on, I started with something else. I started with bags and shoes, you know. So with time goes, I saw what clients were demanding at the rate they were demanding it. So you have to change. So you know the good, as in the things your clients, that in the environment you need, the things they will be needing, so that you'll be able to invest in such things, you know. So that will earn you more, you know, clients more, because they will know that when they come to your shop or your boutique, they will see what they are looking for. Okay, so it's not a more that you must do something like this, like, so you can do food stuff as well, because it's an essential commodity, you know. So but do what you are passionate about. You can, if you can open your restaurant and all that. So but saving up is I know it's not easy, you know. You cannot save up in one day or in 1 month, you know. You can save up, you know, even if you want to, you have that project of opening your own business, starting your own business on your own trade. You can be working and having to plan towards it by saving up, so you not go to the bank and loan, because bank you have interest, you know. So you don't have to worry about the interest rate and all that. So then that's a second. You can save from your skills. First, you can save from your monthly salary, your monthly income, salary, you know. So then third, you can save a valuable that you're not needing anymore. Then fourth, you can loan from a friend or a family member, depending on the closeness of you and that person and the agreement. They might give you an interest, but you know, you can negotiate with them, because it's not a bank that they have their policy, their regular policy. You can loan from an individual, then you guys come to terms, and you pay that person at the appropriate time, you know. So you can loan from individuals to reduce to avoid to go for going to the bank, because maybe you don't have any what the bank will require. So you can loan from a friend or a family member. Okay, then that's fourth. Then fifth, you can maybe you loan from your parents, then you, depending on the agreement you guys will have, then you can equally refund them when the time comes. Okay, so that's the 5 ways of saving up without, or starting a business without a bank loan. Okay, so I hope you do enjoy this video. Please, if you find this video helpful or you enjoyed it, don't forget to like my video, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will give me the guys, I want to be engaging you guys. Okay, drop in the comment section what you would like to be seen from me engaging you guys. You know, I would like to be engaging you guys. Ask me questions, the questions relating to what you see on my channel, then I'll respond to you when I'm less busy, when I'm available. Okay, because at times you don't just feel like, you know, coming to. We have come to the end of this video. Please guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.